Imagine being able to enjoy the perfect weather with your loved ones in the comfort of your own backyard without breaking the bank. But here's the thing. A beautiful patio setup can often come with a hefty price tag. That's why we're excited to share with you an amazing deal from Walmart that's about to change the game. For a limited time, you can get your hands on a stunning $280 patio furniture set for a whopping $141. And it's absolutely perfect for small patios. The Pirecart Patio Dining Set is a 5-piece collection that includes 4 steel frame chairs with breathable textilene seats, a glass table, and a center hole that can fit a patio umbrella. But what really sets it apart is its durability and weather resistance, making it the perfect addition to any outdoor space. And this is the part most people miss. The set is not only stylish and comfortable, but also incredibly easy to assemble. As one satisfied customer put it, "It is attractive and sturdy," while another raved, "It's perfect for my small patio." But don't just take their word for it. With over 330 pounds of weight capacity per chair, you can rest assured that this set is built to last. The table itself is 28 inches tall and 31 inches wide, with curved corners that eliminate the risk of getting nicked by sharp edges. It's a safe and simple centerpiece for any patio, and the fact that it's available in 6 different color options means you can choose the one that perfectly complements your outdoor decor. Now we know what you're thinking. Is this deal too good to be true? But here's the thing. Walmart is committed to providing its customers with the best products at unbeatable prices, and this deal is no exception. So what do you think? Are you ready to take your outdoor entertaining to the next level without breaking the bank? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as excited about this deal as we are, be sure to grab the Pirecart Patio Dining Set at Walmart before it's gone. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of you might be thinking, is it really worth spending $141 on a patio set, even if it is a great deal? And to that we say, think about all the memories you'll make with your loved ones in your beautifully furnished backyard. Isn't that worth every penny? So, go ahead and treat yourself to the perfect patio setup. Your wallet and your guests will thank you.